statement will become true. So it will crash only if the backup is not good, the server is not stable, then the system will not run smoothly, so it will crash. So the idea here is negation. Okay? Kabaliktaran. So kung ang unang statement ito is true, then ito is false. If yung unang statement is false, then ito true. Okay. First, copy the P and use the end connectives and connect it to the Q. Put parentheses and connect it using event condition to the R. And we will create another form which as there is a negation happened for P and Q. But before that, ating munang identify kung ano nga ba ang magiging connectives ng unang statement at yung may negation na F then S. Okay, yung ating connectives ito will be and. Then, condition for negation for P and Q, then F then S. Then we will put it in parentheses to become readability. Okay, we're done for the symbolic form.